What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting, and we just pulled from the back a brand new 2023 GMC HEV, or I guess I should just call it the new electric Hummer. You guys, we tinted every single window on this car that could be tinted. We did the front windshield with the Lumar Air 80. We did the front doors with the Lumar IRX 15, and we did the back doors with a clear film. Guys, the rear factory window tint on this car is extremely dark. The 15% on the front is still not as dark as the back half, and we went with a clear over the factory tinted glass. And as you can see, it looks really nice, but it's really, really dark. We did the front doors, we did the rear doors, we did the back window. We did not do the roof. Check it out. We did not do the roof because it's plastic. Very interesting choice. I don't know that I would recommend plastic. I don't know what that's going to look like in a few years, but that's what General Motors did. We'll have to wait and see what it looks like in a couple years. We did the front windshield with the Lumar Air 80. 15% on the front doors. Again, we put a clear over the back window, the rear doors, and again, we did not do the roof. All right, guys, that's it. Short and sweet today. For more information about Signature Glass Tinting, find us on the web, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You can always call us the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468. Remember, if you don't choose Signature Glass Tinting, find a shop that offers Lumar window film. Find a shop that's going to digitally cut your window film. And most importantly, find a shop that's going to stand behind everything they do over and above the manufacturer's warranty. Thanks so much for watching. See ya.